Good morning, my friends. Elf Cat here. What I'm going to cover now is how to lift your foot off the ground. Whether you're practicing Tai Chi, or whether you're running, or whether you're walking. And you might think to yourself, lift my foot off the ground? The reason I'm saying this is because human beings are being taught a lot of bullshit. And they're lifting their knee off the ground this way, which means they're lifting it from the front of the body. Power comes from the back side of the body. I did not say the back. Very clear here, the back side of the body. But anyway, to get to this, you look at the animal and how the animal raises its legs. Doesn't do this. It pulls and the knee comes up. The heel comes up toward the butt, which brings the knee up. This means that in the opening in Tai Chi, or you're doing, let's say, Buddha Warrior, and I'm here, and bang, see, I don't lift my leg this way, I lift it this way. Very different. You can see, one, I lift it this way, I'm bringing the knee up, and there's strain and tension in the hip, in the front of the body. But if I bring it up this way, there isn't. And the toes pointing down without me flexing it down, just pointing down. And then now I can drop it. And I'm not even trying to issue power to drop it. You just relax it. And it's easy to relax it because it's already relaxed. But if it's here, there's strain. Look at the direction my foot is going. In order to get my foot pointed down, I now would have to flex the toe and the ankle down. That's not natural. But if I bring the heel up toward my buttocks, the knee comes up naturally. And as the knee comes up naturally, what happens is I'm relaxed. This is how an animal moves. This is why I say become an animal again. If you want to become fully human, you become animalistic in your movements. When you're animalistic in your movements, you're living in the now. You're becoming a child again. This is the Zen circle. This is the Tao circle. Not a zero, but yet it is. My wife looked at it and says, what do you wear that for? No meaning. I said, exactly. No meaning. That's the idea. No meaning. In the now. As opposed to this. This, no good. This, boom. To issue the power also is the difference between Western thinking and Chinese martial arts thinking, particularly Tai Chi thinking. In Western thinking, I issue from my pecs, my front delts, my biceps, my forearm, my triceps, my abs, my hips, my legs. It's all front of the body. Everything is, how's the front of the body look? And there, but in China, my teacher says, not front of the body muscle, not back of the body muscle, no muscle. No muscle. Nothing. Empty. You issue with no muscle. Well, then what do you issue with? You issue with the bones and the tendons. The tendon connects the muscle to the bone. Bang. So your body, in terms of your thinking, becomes this t-shirt, becomes the inside of the circle, becomes these sweatpants. I refer to this as ghost body. Body becomes a ghost, and inside, you explode. You let things explode from inside, but from a spirit of relaxation. And then, so I'm relaxed, I explode, and then I'm back to relax. But even the explosion was relaxed. Think on that for a moment, my friends. I've enjoyed making this video, and I trust, not I hope. Hope is not a battle plan. I trust you've enjoyed it as well. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe and pass it on to all your friends and cohorts on social media. Be back soon with another Zen Master Says. Remember, as always, the mantra, the daily mantra, to kick ass and take